I'm at the point where I should be able to do both. I plan on doing both.
Was it easier coming in as a rookie to kind of focus all that energy defensively simply because the expectations were so low for you as a second round pick?
Yeah, I think so. And also last year with our team, the ball was in my hands a lot. The personnel that we had a rookie year, there was way more ball handlers, there were way more facilitators than I had last year. So I'm a team guy, and I think everybody needs to win. But this year, I'm definitely going to be focused on the defensive end, doing whatever I can to help my team win. Whether that's me score 20 or that's me score 2, either way, I'm playing great defense.
Now, those responsibilities are pretty great. I think obviously the people who you now is the third most important option offensively. So how do you manage both of those responsibilities, scoring a lot when it's falling upon, and still kind of get back to the defensive that you want to be at?
Just being able to do both. You got to come in with the mindset that you're going to lock the guy down. You're going to be a great help defender. We got to come in with the mindset that we're going to win games. When we do shoot the ball poorly, or me, James, Dwight are going to have off nights, other people can step up. We got a team, and I think my job is to come in and set the tone every night defensively and just continue to be aggressive on the offense.
You guys talked all week about chemistry and getting this team to be together. How big of a focus is that now that you have some games and can play against some new people?
It's huge. It's always good just to come out here and play in front of the fans, and everyone's excited because it's the first game. This is just the first step of a long process. And obviously, none of this counts, and the minutes I'm sure aren't going to be really game-like. It's awesome to get out here and play against another team and just see where we are.
You talked about how long this summer felt. Finally, you guys get to get out there. You're not just seeing each other against each other. What's it like getting ready for this? What's today been like for you?
It was a little weird at first. It has been forever. I feel like it's been so long. But just trying to get the same game day routine